Alright, today we have an Amana bottom freezer that is not, the compressor is not kicking on. So I'm going to show you how to make the compressor kick on. You see the fan came on and the compressor's not starting. You'll hear the hard start kick here in just a second. It's trying to start, but it can't. And there it goes. Alright? So it's telling you that your hard start on your compressor is not working. So basically what we're going to do is there's a clip like this that comes off the hard start. Pull the run relay off. And the hard start. The hard start's going to have two wires, one here and one here. Just unhook those and you hear it rattling, and that's not good. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 3-in-1 start on this to get it to go. This is your 3-in-1 start. Very simple to use. It's got everything you need right there to show you which wire goes where and how to do it. Now on the compressor, it's either going to be, the top is going to be the black or the bottom is going to be the black, depending on what your compressor is and how it works. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the way that it's supposed to. So this one is exactly like what the diagram shows. So the black will go on the top. The white will go on the other side. And your red will go on this side here. I'll try to get it in there to where you guys can see. Kind of hard to see inside there, but all the wires are hooked up the way they're supposed to be on the compressor itself. Like I said, fairly simple to do, fairly easy. There. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is the two wires that we took off of the hard start, wire snips, cut that one, cut that one, and it really does not matter which one that you hook it up to on the black wires on the 3-in-1 start. Put that one there. And it comes with these little wing nuts to put them on there with. Okay, now we're going to plug it in and see if the compressor comes on. And there it is. Came on just fine. So that's all you need to do. Just make sure you get the right hard start for your compressor. There's about 3 or 4 different ones out there. And that's it. Your fridge is up and running again.